Advice to women who have a lot to do at home and with children to do enough ibadat and don't always feel like having a weak iman. I have two very little children. What mothers have to understand who are raising children is that raising these children itself is a ibadah, sisters. Like many sisters don't actually realize what they are doing. Yani, mothers make the ulama. Yani, fathers, I'll be very honest with you, fathers don't do as much as a mother can. A mother plays the biggest role when it comes to educating children. A mother is a madrasa, a school. The reward that a mother can get by teaching her children to eat with their right hand. She teaches the children how to sit, how to eat, what to eat, like these things that the mother teaches. It's a ibadah. And do not ever belittle a ibadah and say to yourself, I'm not there giving, I'm not going to halaqat, I'm not praying qiyamu'l-layl. Sometimes these small ibadah that you look at, it can get you somewhere very far. And wallahi, to be honest, it's actually not even a little thing that what the mothers do to raise these children. Look at Imam Shafi'i today, Imam Malik, sorry. Imam Malik, who was the one who used to push him to go to the circles of knowledge? Imam Malik said, كانت أمي تعممني. My mother will place the imama on my head. And she would say to me, اذهب إلى ربيعة الرأي. Go to Rabi'at ibn Abdulrahman. And do what? فاستفد. Go benefit from من علمه فاستفد من أدبه قبل علمه. Go benefit from his manners before his knowledge. And Imam Malik, his mother. And Imam Shafi'i, the same. His mother was the one who sacrificed everything for Imam Shafi'i to become something. And Imam al-Bukhari, same. And he lost his eyesight. It was his mother who made the dua. She was the one that saw Nabiullah Ibrahim in her dream. And Ibrahim telling her that your son's got his eyesight back again. And it was his mother. So mothers are something very big. And they can produce ulama. Father doesn't really, he doesn't change a lot. لذلك, one of the things that was narrated that Imam Malik, they was said, he was given a lecture one time, Imam Malik, and one of his sons was playing around, was jumping around and playing around while Imam Malik was doing a lesson. And Imam Malik said, if knowledge was something that could be inherited, he would have inherited it from me. And his own son wasn't taking the knowledge from him, rahimahullah. So the issue, sisters, is sisters have to understand that what you do at home for your children changes the life of these kids. And that itself, if you look at it as an act of ibadah, you'll realize